Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the earthquake TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, then go down to the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen, the little magnifying glass next to it, click on Discover. Top of the screen, you're going to want to go to the search bar and enter in all one word, earthquake effect. Then you can pick a video that has the earthquake effect on it. This one looks good. Down at the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you see the little star symbol there next to earthquake. That is the effect being used. Go ahead and click on that icon. It's going to open up a page that looks like this, where you can click Add to Favorites right underneath the name of the effect. And now it will be added to your favorites. You can back out with the back arrow at the top left-hand side of the screen. And then if you want to find and use this effect, you can go to the Me tab and then go right next to Edit Profile. There's that little bookmark icon. Click on the bookmark icon and then swipe over all the way to the right where you see Effects. Click on Effects. And here you can see the first effect at the top is the earthquake effect. Click on that. And if you want to start shooting your TikTok video using the earthquake effect, you can go ahead and just click on the camera icon down at the bottom center of the screen. When you're all done, you can post or whatever, just play around with it. In any case, I hope this video helped you out on how to find and use the earthquake effect with TikTok. If it did, smash the like button and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thanks for watching. Take care.